Okay. We're still going kind of quick. Bow thrust right. See what that'll do. You want to stay away from that guy right there. Okay. Let go of the bow thruster. Hard right rudder. Forward gear. Forward gear. Okay. Straighten the rudder up. Straighten the rudder up. Okay, if it doesn't work according to plan, instead of her catching the midship, she might catch the stern line.
Might give it the stern if I don't get any.
Okay, the wind's getting us. Forward gear, hard right rudder. Forward gear, hard right rudder. The wind's getting us. Put it in forward gear. Let's go. See how the stern's going to come around? We may give you the stern line first.
All right.
Okay. Okay, you took it out of gear too soon. Okay, back us up and counter it with the bow thruster. Are we in reverse?
We are.
Okay. Okay. Okay, he's got the line. He's pulling in the slack. Put in reverse again. Okay, neutral. Forward gear to stop our reverse action. Hard left rudder forward gear. And to bow thrust left.
Probably gonna have to bump it forward a little bit. All right.
Okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, just bow thrust left. It's going to get a midship line on to steady us, and then he'll get the bow line last. Okay, that was easy. Go ahead, center the rudder. We just heard a customs boat coming in St. Augustine Inlet, going through the Bridge of Lions, asking for a security clearance. Everybody stay clear. We're here.